Hello everyone, welcome to Soulful Lifestyle. This is your host and bartender Kranti Talwar. In today's episode, we are going to be making a very refreshing summer cocktail by the name of Blue Lemonade. It is also called as Blue Lagoon or Electric Lemonade. Regardless of the name, it is a very refreshing cocktail, and you could turn this into a mocktail by just skipping the alcohol and increasing the club soda content. Even your kids will love it. Ladies could have it for their kitty parties. It's an amazing recipe. I'm sure you're going to love this. Please don't forget to post your feedback on my YouTube comment section. Kindly like, subscribe and share this video if you like the recipe. Thank you so much for watching. For this recipe, we'll need about 6 to 7 cubes of ice, juice of half or 1 lemon or lime based on the size, few slices of lemon or orange for garnish, 45 milliliters of vodka of your choice, 10 milliliters of simple syrup, 5 milliliters of blue curacao, which can be either a liqueur form or a syrup. Curacao that's used in bar drinks is a liqueur that's flavored with orange peel, while curacao syrup is also an orange peel and lemon flavored simple syrup. In order to make your simple syrup, take equal quantities of sugar and water in a small saucepan and just simply dissolve the sugar until it completely melts in the water. You may also add a pinch of salt to enhance the taste of your drink. Never add powdered sugar to icy drinks since it does not blend well with the iced water. To make your cocktail, add about 5 to 6 cubes of ice in a cocktail shaker. To this, add about 45 milliliters of vodka, about 5 milliliters of blue curacao, either liqueur form or a blue curacao syrup, juice of 1 lemon or half based on the size, and 10 milliliters of simple syrup which we made. Now shake all the ingredients until blended perfectly. Just to support my orange slices, I'm adding few cubes of ice in my raw glass. You may also use a Collins glass if you have. Top this with a tiny amount of club soda and your drink is ready to go. Serve it with a stirrer. Simply skip the vodka and raise the amount of club soda to enjoy a mocktail version which is enjoyed by the kids.